Keto Lemon Bars. They are both sweet and tart in the best possible way. For this low-carb lemon bar, the recipe is incredibly easy. We whip up the filling before the crust, so that the filling is ready to go into the crust right away when the crust is done baking. This is an important step because you want to be able to pour the filling into the crust as soon as it comes out of the oven. Adding the filling to the crust right away, and immediately baking helps the lemon filling set a bit on the hot crust so that it doesn't seep below the crust. While the Keto Lemon Bar still tastes good with filling below the crust, it's not ideal. Ingredients: shortbread crust, 2½ cups Wholesome Yum blanched almond flour, 1/4 cup Besti monk fruit allulose blend, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 cup coconut oil, melted, 1 large egg, whisked, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Lemon filling: 1/3 cup Besti powdered monk fruit allulose blend, 1/4 cup Wholesome Yum blanched almond flour, 4 large eggs, 3/4 cup lemon juice, 1 tablespoon lemon zest. Directions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius. Line 9 by 9 inch, 23 by 23 centimeters, pan with parchment paper, hanging over the sides. Make the filling first, because it must be ready to go immediately when the crust comes out of the oven. In a medium bowl, stir together almond flour and powdered sweetener. Whisk in the eggs, lemon juice, and lemon zest, until smooth. Set aside. To make the crust, combine the almond flour, sweetener and sea salt in a large bowl. Stir in the melted coconut oil, then the egg and vanilla. The dough will be crumbly, but able to be pressed together. Press the dough into the lined pan. Bake for about 13 to 16 minutes, or until firm and golden. Remove the crust from the oven and immediately pour the filling over the crust. Return to the oven for 15 to 18 minutes, or until filling is set, but still soft. Cool completely on the counter, without moving or cutting. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours before slicing. Click the link in the description for more easy delicious treats like this.